Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. We're back here once again with a brand new video, and well, today it looks like a brand new third generation drone from DJI has been spotted, and it could very well be the DJI Air 3, which I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for. Or could it be something different? Well, today I have some of the latest details that you need to know regarding the next drone from DJI that has just been spotted out in the wild in testing. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here. And if you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the Inspire 3, the Air 3, and of course the Mavic 3S, you already know this is the place to come for all of the latest updates and news. And also, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed yet, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video. So guys, as you all know, we've been waiting for the release of the Inspire 3 for a very long time now. It's been about 7 years since the release of the original Inspire 2. And well, just today, we got a very interesting tweet from our good old friend Osit LB in Twitter that suggests that we could be seeing a brand new DJI drone very soon. So let's go ahead and take a look at his tweet and whether or not this is dealing with Inspire 3, the Air 3, or something completely different. So there it is. It says the following: KOL's evaluation has begun. One of them have been spotted in Macau, one assistant and two pilots with RC+, and right below we see DJI number 3. So is this the long-awaited DJI Air 3? As you guys know, the Air 3 is supposed to be releasing this year. Now, unfortunately, some of the hints that Osita LB gives us right on the text of his tweet leads us to believe that unfortunately the Air 3 was not spotted. Now guys, don't be sad, don't be disappointed, because the Air 3 should still be coming in about 2 months. So in the next upcoming weeks, the leaks for the Air 3 should start to build up and intensify as we get closer to release date. So what drone is Osita LB talking about? Well, it's actually the Inspire 3. What does it give it away? The fact that they're using the RC+. We do know that the brand new Inspire 3 will be using Oxygen 3 and the brand new RC+, which has a 7-inch screen display. And also the fact that two pilots are controlling this drone. We know that the Inspire 2, in most cases, there was one pilot for the actual drone and then one operator for the camera, and well, that is what just gives it away right here. So it looks like the Inspire 3 has yet again been spotted out in the wild. The final details are just being put on the final marketing stuff regarding the Inspire 3, so it's just a matter of time before the Inspire 3 gets revealed to the world. We're gonna make sure to keep you updated, guys, in whether it's a release date, price, or any brand new leaks, because to this point in time we still don't know pretty much anything in regards to the specifications of the drone itself. But that is gonna be changing very soon. That is what I have for all of you today. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.